Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping for sustained nether combat. Choose diamond or netherite armor and a shield, plus 3/5 healing or fire-resist potions. Next, secure your portal location and bring 64+ building blocks and flint and steel to rebuild if needed. Once done, scout the bastion from a distance to note patrol patterns and structure entry points. Make sure to pick an approach with natural cover. That reduces surprise encounters and gives you a clear first safe zone to stage your raid. You breach the bastion by tunneling or using a gated doorway. A 2-block-high, narrow tunnel prevents ranged hits while letting you peek. Once inside, clear adjoining rooms methodically, making sure to neutralize piglin brutes first because they hit hardest. Use a crossbow or ranged bow to pull isolated mobs, then finish with melee. Combinations reduce damage taken. As you loot, open one chest at a time and move valuable items into a secure container or minecart. You extract loot efficiently by transferring rare items into an ender chest or shulker box immediately. This ensures items are safe even if you die. Once your haul is packed, follow a predetermined covered retreat route back to your portal or safe staging area, moving quickly but deliberately. If combat spirals out of control, remember a simple troubleshoot. Use fire assistance potion and sprint to the portal, or pillar up to break line of sight and reset mob aggro. That one key move often saves your life and your loot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.